All right, so today going to be going over how to replace a propeller on a Torqeedo 1103. It's an electric outboard engine. So as you can see, it comes in this fancy bag. This is part of your rudder system. This is the propeller, obviously not going to do you any good there. So there's no other damage to this, a couple of little scratches, but this is our primary concern. So keep it in the bag. Now you'll just be able to take your 17mm socket and then loosen the nut. This is a nylock nut, so you'll have resistance the whole way. All right. Once you get it off, you got the washer and then the nylock nut. You can set that aside because you won't need that. A new one comes with a brand new one. So this is the inside of the, there you can see it. So this is where your shear pin goes along. So that shear pin is supposed to break, but unfortunately the propeller broke instead. So that would have been nice if that broke, but the whole thing broke. It wasn't too bad. It was $100 for a new prop and shear pin. This is the new one. It comes in a kit. There's two different versions. You got this one and the weedless. So this is your new one, and here's your new shear pin and your new washers. So we'll replace everything with new since we got it. So pull the old shear pin out. We'll remove a little bit of that seaweed there. We'll take that washer off too. Okay, we'll leave that washer. Put the new shear pin in. Slide the new prop over. Center that shear pin, and you can see it went flush here. So now we're going to put our washer on, our nylock nut. Don't drop the washer like that. Hand start it. Tighten her down. I think these are German, so you're going for good and tight. There was no torque spec specified by the manufacturer, so just get it nice and tight. It's a nylock, so hopefully it doesn't come off. One extra little turn for good measure. And just like that, we're good to go. Thanks for watching.